How often should I exercise? It all depends on what your goals are. Are you trying to maintain your current weight? Maybe you're trying to lose weight, or maybe you're trying to gain weight or muscle. Or maybe you just want to be more active and you've been sitting at a desk for a long time and you want to know how often you should exercise to stay healthy. Well, according to the American Heart Association, if your goal is to maintain your current weight or improve your overall health, you should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. That can be broken down into 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. And vigorous intensity exercise would be more like 20 minutes most days of the week. However, if your goal is to lose weight or to gain muscle, you should aim for 60 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week, or 30 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise most days of the week. But what if you've been sitting at a desk for a long time and you're not really active at all? Well, it's important to start slowly and to build up your activity level over time. So if you're not very active, now start with just a few minutes of exercise each day and then gradually increase the amount of time you spend exercising over the course of a week or two until you reach the recommended amount of 150 minutes per week. It's also important to note that this is just a general guideline. The amount of exercise you need may vary depending on a number of factors, including your age, your health status, and your fitness level. For example, if you're older or if you have certain health conditions, you may need to exercise less than 150 minutes per week. On the other hand, if you're younger and in good health, you may be able to exercise more than 150 minutes per week. In addition, it's important to listen to your body and to take rest days when needed. If you're feeling sore or fatigued, it's probably not a good idea to push yourself too hard by exercising more than you normally do. Instead, take a break and allow your body to recover. Overall, though, the key is to find activities that you enjoy and that you can realistically fit into your schedule on a regular basis. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week. And remember to start slowly and gradually increase the amount of exercise you do over time. With a little planning and effort, you can make physical activity a regular part of your routine and improve your overall health and well-being. And please like and subscribe so you can stay updated on all things health and wellness. Thank you for watching.